Hey, we are live. Good morning, fellas. Good morning. Good morning. I'm a little bit late. I'm running a little bit late, but we're here. We are here. Market is open. I forgot. Let me get my clock on here. All right. We are ripping. Making a move higher right at the open. How's it going, everybody? How's it going, everybody? Team Tiger, good morning. Francis, good morning. Daryl, Traitorous Chick, good morning. NP, Timbo, Mooncatcher, Peter Shapp, Dogs with Voices. You good, Dogs with Voices? Go SPVC, good morning. Black Coffee, good morning. Sue Trades. I'm Dogs with Voices. What are you on about this morning already? Amelia Stitcher, good morning. Artie Trading, good morning. Timbo, how's it going, everybody? Hope you all had a great weekend. I know I did. If he's doing the opening range trade, yeah, that's not true. I have never done the opening range trade, and I will never do it. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but yeah. If I did the ORB, then you would think I would have a trade. You would think I would have already taken a trade today already, but I have not. I was too busy. Full transparency. The wife this morning has a migraine headache, and I was trying to take care of the kids and make sure she's comfortable before I started streaming. That's why I'm a little bit late. I also had a meeting this morning, but anyway, the transparency police are here. Why did I decide to buy 20 evals to try and pass and they can't even activate them? Wait, is there activation issues right now? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Hey, good morning, Citizen Zero. Patel, good morning. Good morning. How are we doing? Hey, Rain 1980, good morning. Man, how about that? How about the US Open? Man, that was some fun. That was really good viewing. That was some good golf yesterday. That was some great TV. That was some great golf. I felt terrible for Rory. I felt bad for him, but man, at the same time, Rory, what are you doing? I couldn't believe he missed those putts. Yeah, Kid Poker. Good morning, Kid Poker. I mean, that was hard to watch. He missed 2 putts within 4 feet in the last 3 holes. He had it in the bag. He had it in the bag, man. Unbelievable. Hey, Trader J, good morning. Yeah, Rory choking harder than a chicken about to get whacked. I kind of I wanted Rory to win too. Like, I didn't really care. I like DeChambeau. He has a YouTube channel that I follow, and he's kind of grown on me since I started following him on YouTube. He's really grown on me, and I've kind of started to like the guy. But I really like Rory, and, you know, everything that he kind of stuck through the whole live golf thing. And so I was kind of hoping he would win too, but man, to lose in that fashion. Oh, and you could tell that Rory was. You could tell that he was in shambles afterwards. I mean, he didn't even stick around for an interview. I mean, as soon as the Shambo putted and it went in, he was out of there. Like he bailed. He bailed hard. Yep, it was crazy go and trades. Bryson definitely was fortunate on a lot of his missed fairways. Like he got pretty fortunate, but I mean, it is what it is. You can't hold that against him. It's just the bottom line is if Rory makes one of those 2 4-foot putts, Rory wins or goes into a playoff, I guess. But it's just, I mean, that's golf. That is golf. The beauty of golf, because you see the professionals miss those kind of putts, it makes you feel better about your own golf game. Kind of like trading, when the really, really good traders, they take losses just like we do. All right, market, what are we going to do? Obviously, I'm trading the September contracts this morning. We rolled over. It is rollover day, which always, I don't know. Rollover day is always a little bit questionable. Yeah, that bunker shot on 18 is what won it for Bryson. No doubt about it. That was a great bunker shot. And I mean, that was really good. I mean, need some thoughts and prayers to pass those 20 evals today. Prayers to you, Matty Mac. You got this. You got this. But man, it was still some great golf. Great golf played. It was really fun to watch. If I already requested a payout, yes, I did. On Saturday morning, we requested 14,000 payouts. So, still pending, by the way. So we shall wait. Hey, you're back out of drawdown since 3 days, so shut down my trading for today. Nice, nice. I watched the entire. I did. Yeah, Sunday. I got home from church and I went on the recliner, and I think I took a nap, like a 45-minute nap around 2 to 3 o'clock. So I didn't catch the full. I didn't catch the full attorney, but most of it. Most of it. Oh, you missed the golf, Tate? Man, you missed the good round. You missed, especially that ending. I mean, that ending was great. I thought Rory had it in the bag, man. I really did. I thought Rory was gonna win. I thought he was gonna win, but he decided, nope, not today. Not today. Hang on, there's something banging out here. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on the kids today. The wife has a migraine, so I might be in and out of the office quite a bit today, just FYI. But I don't know. Usually like the first couple of days of rollover are a little bit hard to trade, but we'll see. We have a 45 point opening range right now. Nothing too crazy. Hope all is good. I was hoping to get a request in this week, but the 10th day falls on the 19th and it's Juneteenth, so it won't count as a traded day. Ooh, I didn't even think of that, Mighty Mouse. So Juneteenth is the 19th, which means, well, you can trade on the 20th. Mighty Mouse, you can trade on the 20th, and then that would count as your 10th day. And then after the market closes, those accounts will update and show that it's your 10th day of trading. And you have a little bit of a window of time, like basically from, the time that your accounts update, which is usually around 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. And then you would have until midnight to request your payouts on the 20th. So that should still work. Yeah, he birdie yep, I know, Kid Pooh. Man, I cannot imagine how sick of a way to lose that. I feel bad I really do feel bad for Rory. He has to just be completely sick this morning. Ugh. Kind of like how I feel if I would blow 20 accounts, right? Like the next morning, you still kind of feel sick. That's how on 10 times worse, how he's got to be feeling. Oh, you hate to see it. Right, Kid Poker. And it's been so long since he's won a major. Hey, no problem, Mighty Mouse. But yeah, you should be fine. You have that little window of time until midnight the 20th. You can request your payout. So if you trade, basically the 19th and 20th is going to be counted as one day. But yeah, I think it's actually been 11 years, Kid Poker, hasn't it? Since Rory's won a major. I think it's actually been 11 years, I think. And man, it's just tell you what, that's one thing with golf. It seems like people get into these hot streaks for a couple years, but they don't. It's seldom that you see someone be sustain greatness for a length of time in golf. And that's why Tiger Woods was so impressive. Tiger Woods he was great for such a long time. And it really, really was greatness. I mean, and then we had Jordan Spieth. He was great, but it was for only a window of time. And I got to say, I'm really curious how Scottie Scheffler is going to handle this. He did not look great at all. I don't know, was it just because of Pinehurst and he's going to be back and he'll be fine? I think he will, but right now, obviously, Scottie Scheffler is the best in the game, and I'm really curious to see if he's going to, keep that up, or what are we going to see? All right, market. We're just chopping around here. Also, I forgot. I haven't even checked if there's any news coming out. No news. So we chilling. We are chilling. Yeah, that's true too, Matty man. I do agree. Some young gun will come out of college and steal the show. True. But yeah, man, Scotty just got destroyed in this tournament. To think he was the betting favorite, woof, he barely made the cut. All right, today's objective is to get this account. It would be really, really sweet if we could somehow get a payout on this account this pay period. That would be nice. That would be very, very nice. Probably not going to happen, but we can try. Okay, here we go through the 15-minute opening range low here. See if we keep pulling back here. Is this going to just keep going lower? See what happens here. Are we going to hold or not? Man, we're just keep selling here. Let's look at the 60-minute chart here. We going lower. Down to the 900s here. See if this... I hate when we have these big gaps because of rollover. Does everyone's chart look like that? You requested 8K payouts, finger crossed, no DCO. Let's go, Tate. For this account, we are seeing, are you going to request a payout 52,600 or higher? Yeah, I think on this account, if I get this to a 2,600, then I might just request payout on this one. It's going to depend a little bit when that happens, if it does. I've already gotten 2 payouts on this account. I don't know, it'd just be nice to get another payout on it. But we'll see. We'll make that decision once we get there, but right now I'm thinking that we will probably just take the payout. Hey, let's go, Black. Let's go, Black Coffee. Does yours not look like my chart? Like there's a huge gap here between yesterday and today. Let me reload my data. Maybe that will make a difference. Hang on. All right, we're back. Charts look normal where you're at. Okay, yeah, see, I just had to refresh my data and now it's looking good. Somehow. All right, are we just gonna stair step this down and maybe we pull back today? Reminder to self that I do not need to try to buy the bottom. Don't buy the bottom. Just be patient. We just need to be patient. If we're gonna have a downtrending day, then we just need to wait and look to short these little pullbacks. Oh, okay, I see, QQ. That's totally fair. Yeah, I mean, today's actually gonna be a big day on this account if we're gonna be able to get to a payout this pay period. Because if I have a loss here or anything, then obviously I'm not even gonna try. I'm just gonna take it slow and probably maybe size down even. But if we can have like a $400, $300, $400 day today, then it kind of keeps it alive. But all right, market, what's the plan? Maybe this is the bottom here, huh? All right, maybe we get a pump higher here. Oh, we got kids that are, oh man. This might not be a, man, it's tempting to short this. Okay, this, if we fail here, now maybe we get a push higher now. Getting that push. This is starting to look bullish. Yes, this is a rollover day for me. Or I rolled over to the September contracts this morning. What times do I trade the overnight market, Russell? Usually like early morning and from 10 o'clock to, midnight, somewhere in that area. It just depends a little bit, but for the most part, usually early morning, like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock. It's probably the biggest time that I trade pre-market. All right, we are making a move. Really glad I didn't short right here. It was tempting me. It was one of those fake outs, and now we're just ripping. It's kind of tempting to just jump in here. Come on, let's get a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, roll over and roll under. Yeah, we're gonna test the opening here. Yeah, we're just gonna keep ripping this. Oof. God. Wish I would have jumped in here. All right, we're at the 950s, 955s. Let's see what happens when we get to 960 opening. That's where we opened at this morning. Oh man, this is a risky trade. Do not do this at home. Oof. Let's go. That was fast. That was fast. Will it hold? All trades are risky. That is facts. That is facts. Makes me a little more nervous when we I do like entering trades right, like right when we have a nice move like this and the first kind of pullback. I feel like it always tries to make a move higher again, at least, but this is not my typical setup that I would like to take, which is why it probably feels a little more risky. But let's see what happens. Are we gonna pull back further here? It feels like this thing's going to keep ripping here. All right, maybe we pull back a little bit more here. All right, what are we going to do? Is this going to pull back more? No code needed, just do the reset. Yep, what is there is no code. Yeah, thank you, Amakri. Yeah, just when you go to do a reset, it's just automatically going to show us $35. Hey, David Knight, good morning. How we doing? Hey, dogs with voices. I feel like this is the first time you're on the channel. What's up? Or maybe you've been on the channel before and you just changed your name, but I don't remember your name from the past. But we chilling. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Do you have a Ribbit t-shirt? I should mock. I really need it. I need a t-shirt. I need a frog on it and then rip it. I need to make that. You know what I haven't had this morning? I haven't had my coffee and Nutty Bar yet. And that needs to happen. Give me a second. I will be right back. All right, it is Nutty Bar time. Let's go. Those that don't know what Nutty Bars look like that. Mmm. Mmm. If I eat this for breakfast every day, yes, I do. Hmm. Get Nutty Bar to sponsor me. Hey, I would. They should. They should sponsor me. I would love that. I would definitely take that deal. They would, even if they pay me just in free Nutty Bars every month, I would sign it. Mmm, so good. MDK, no. Nope. You can take as long as you want. Do the Amish celebrate Juneteenth? I do not know. Not that I'm aware of, but I guess maybe some. Oh man, what a nice. This is. Should have just bought more. It's a nice move higher. Did they approve my payout request? Not yet. Still showing as pending. How long is the longest I've had to wait? I think 3 days. I think last time I had to wait 3 days before I was approved. So I don't know. Hey, maybe I'll be one of the under review and it's gonna be 2 weeks. Well, guess what, Apex? I ain't trading these accounts. You can call me whatever you want to call me, but I ain't trading them accounts. That's just how it is. Wow, look at that move. I really wish I could. I guess I could trade 2 contracts. It would just be very, very risky. Don't even say it, design. Oh, I wasn't going to say that. I'm a schemer. I'm a scammer. I feel like there could be a song made out of that. Payout denied. You are. No payout for you. All right, boys. What are we doing? We gonna buy this pullback? I wouldn't mind getting a pullback here to the like 960s would be ideal. but we might not even get that. This market, we shouldn't be surprised. Market does only go higher. Yet every time it goes higher, we're surprised. Kellyanne's boyfriend made a song of Apex. Oh dear, please, Lord help us. Hey, let's go, Trip Moses. You're 3 for 3 this morning. Nice. That's right. NQ, she's got no shame. She will just keep going higher. She will just keep going higher. Like we said last week, NQ is one of those that she'll just run naked through the streets. No shame. No shame indeed. This is the daily chart. I mean, look at this daily chart. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I've won, like, this is the weekly chart. It's crazy how way back in 17, to think that the market was at 63.41 7 years ago. That's crazy. That is crazy. And here's what's funny. All this time, you know that there were people that were like, yep, stock market's gonna crash. Yep, stock market's coming down. And look at where we're at now. Feels bad. She's skinny dipping in the public pool. Exactly, Eric. She don't care. She will keep going higher. Oh, man. Now I feel better. I've had my coffee. I've had my Nutty Bar. Things are great. Now we're ready. We're ready, market. Bring it on. Come on. I would like to see this pull back to the 960 area here. Can she do it? Come on, pull back a little more here. Don't just go straight up. No one likes when you just go straight up. The pancreas isn't happy. You can remember when the Dow first broke 3,000 ace undercover? Oh, that is crazy. It was July 1990. That is crazy. Remember, guys, we're going to say someday to our grandkids, we're going to say, hey, I remember when the Dow broke 20,000. And the Dow is going to be at like 120,000. Those are the days. You need an invite to my grandma's Christmas party design. Really? We really are not getting more of a pullback than that? Come on. Don't do me like this. Really don't want to be buying up here. Oh, wow. Look at that. She crazy, man. That is a crazy. I finally learned this bit back to the future was Trump. They were telling us what was going to happen. Wow. Yeah. This kind of felt like this could be a little bit of a breach, and then now we might pull back to see if we could trap some longs, maybe. I'm gonna I'm gonna be pot committed here, right here. I almost got the spike we were looking for. Let's go. Is he gonna keep going? It might. It might. Hey, Cohen. Good morning. Do I go 10 contracts, 15 points, or try to trade them like regular on a? Hey, Matty, those are loaded questions. I don't have the answer to. Uh, I still have 4 250K accounts that I'm waiting. I'm waiting for what kind of news events are coming out this week. I have until July 15th. I was gonna wait for some significant news to see if we can't try to pass them. Tomorrow news. We have core retail sales tomorrow at 8:30, so that's interesting. That might have potential. And then Wednesday, that there's nothing going on Wednesday. Then Thursday, we have unemployment claims. All right, pulling back a little more here. If we get down to this area right here, 60s. Ooh, what is going on here? A little bit of volatility now. I'm going to be, let's wait. I don't like when it does that. I do not like that. The July 15th. July 15th is when Amakre. So you have until July 15th to take advantage of activating a past. If you have a 250K account eval and you pass it, you have until July 15th to activate it and take care of the $85 lifetime fee, which is what, to me, is what is important. Right now, I have 8 of those accounts. I wouldn't mind having 4 more, to be honest. You don't like when it drops 17 points in a second? Yeah, I do tend to frown upon that, but I do like it if I'm short. Then I don't mind it so much. No problem, Mockery, no problem. But we're getting bought up here again. It's very tempting to jump in. Getting close to this 960 area that I've been kind of marked. Hmm. Yeah, this does feel like, oh, I just do not want to get trapped and this thing pull all the way back. Always worries me. These NQ V-shape reversals. I'm not a fan of them. Okay, here we are at the 58s. Let's see if it holds. I'm going to wait. I am going to wait here. I'm just going to wait a little bit. I don't want to catch a falling knife like right there. Yikes. I don't like when price is doing that. That is not cool. Not cool, man. Is the 50K lifetime activation fee also 85 until July 15th? QQ, unfortunately, it is not. That the $85 lifetime fee of 85 is only good for the 250K account. That's the special promotion that they're running. Yeah, design. That is not. It's difficult to trade this when we're going straight up, straight down like this. It's just hard because, I mean, I'm glad not to be in a trade right now. Not getting trapped in this. But that's what happened right here. This little spike trapped the longs, and now let's see what happens. Let's see. Are we just gonna keep going lower? We will wait. It's definitely feeling heavy. We might test the lows here. It is feeling heavy. All right. Curious what we do here at the 930s. See if we get a bounce here or not. Yeah, we're just... straight up, straight down. That's how NQ does it some days. It's always rough. I hate this kind of environment. Now watch it just keep going higher. Look at this move. Yeah, that's where we just gotta wait. I will get my... No trading for you. Hey, take care, Traders Chick. Thanks for stopping in. No rhythmic drama. Don't say that too loud. Don't say that too loud. Wow, look at this. This kind of trade, this kind of move is where it's very interesting. Wait, where did you see that, Matty Matt? No evals or PAs being activated on Rhythmic today. Is that's legit? That's interesting. You're missing out on so many opportunities to blow my evals. That is keeping it real. That is keeping it real right there. So it was on their Discord. They're having delays on activating them. Okay, I see. Honestly, I mean, last week the Rhythmic at least was stabilized, so I just hope it stays that way. I just hope it stays that way, but But I see the notice now. For some reason I didn't see that. Yeah, that's why. So if you're doing resets or buying accounts on Rhythmic, then it won't be activated until tomorrow. It is what it is. Look at her go. Look at this. This is just crazy. I have a hard time trading this because now I don't really trust a long or a short. Yeah, probably because the 90% off ended. I don't know. Hey, there's John. Good morning, John. How we doing? How are we doing, John? Look at this move. Crazy. I mean, we went from the 900s to the 980s, and then we pulled actually all the way up to the 983s, and then we pulled back 50 points, and now we're ripping 40 points. It's like, geez. Hey, John Crick. Good morning. Good morning. And now look at this. Now we wait and see. Is this going to keep going higher? If we break out above here, then I think I'm okay and I'm fine taking longs again. But we just get stuck in this 15-minute opening range. I just need to be either trading the range or sitting on the sidelines. Yeah, Russell, it does. It does. I've noticed that, like in the last couple weeks, it seems like NQ like does the back and forth on the 15-minute opening range, and then it kind of decides what direction it wants to go. A little whipsaw action. Hey, you caught that bounce, John? Let's go. Hey, R5 Studios in the house. How we doing, R5? Good to see you. Hope you had a great weekend. Man, this is going to just this looks like it's just going to go all the way back up to the highs. It's just a way overextended pullback, something I I was not looking for that deep of a pullback. It scared me. Here we go. All the way back up. Anybody want to short this double top here? I don't have the nerve for it. Hey, Red Poker, how we doing? Yeah, they're having rhythmic issues. Accounts and resets will not be happening today. Yeah, you cannot transfer to Trade-of-8 or vice versa. You unfortunately cannot. You are stuck with Rhythmic. Which the last week Rhythmic's been way more stable. If it continues to be stable and remain stable, then I think I'm going to keep going with Rhythmic, but I was getting very close to any new accounts I buy. I was going to buy them as Trade-of-8, but I think maybe I'll stay. I don't know. It's definitely, I don't know. It's definitely actually, the cost is a little bit higher, but the commissions are better. So we probably, you know, you can make up the difference if you get to a payout. If you don't get to a payout, it doesn't matter. Commissions don't really matter if you don't get to a payout. Yeah, you can connect Trade-of-8 to Ninja. Yep, you can. You just use your Trade-of-8 login. That is correct. You have to stay on Trade-of-8, but you can connect a Trade-of-8 account to Ninja, but you can't transfer a Trade-of-8 account to a Rhythmic account. If that makes any sense. But yeah, John, if you just want to do bracket orders, then just use Ninja Trader and connect your Trade-of-8 account to Ninja Trader. And then problem solved. Hey, Slaya, yo, Slaya is in the house. How we doing, Slaya? Good to see you. Let's get it. You can't do bracket orders on Trade-of-8. Oh, on the Trade-of-8 copier. True. Yeah, it used to be way back. I don't know how long ago you couldn't, but you can now. You can now. Yeah, Ninja bought Trade-of-8, and since then you can connect your Trade-of-8 account to Ninja Trader. Hey, just mad I can't use your arm? What happened to your arm? What happened to your arm, Slaya? Hey, we're getting a pullback again. Anybody that took that double top here is getting paid. Could have captured a nice 10-point move. Roll and the metal cage landed on your arm and leg. Jeez, Slaya, that's not cool. Well, I'm sorry to hear, but thankfully, yeah. Oh my goodness, Slaya, what in the world? We need to put you in a bubble. Need to put you in a bubble. Okay, you have a bone bruise. I was wondering if it's broken. Have you tried just walking it off? Just walk it off. You used to race motocross? Oh, man. I see those guys. That's not me. That is not me. Too risky. If I see potential that I have potential to hurt myself, then I usually steer clear of that activity. All right, I'm thinking about taking this, and it won't fill me. Dang it. Ah, okay, we're filled. Boom, let's go. We liked when we like that. Oh, I love those trades. Oh, I love them. They just the price comes down and it just takes you into the price and immediately goes up and hits your profit target. Oh, I cannot explain. I mean, that's just a good it's a good feeling right there. You know the memes that say, you know, sex is great, but have you ever tried getting filled to your entry and go directly to your take profit in about 3 seconds? You know, I'm just saying. Pretty sure my wife isn't listening right now, so pretty sure, I think we're safe. uh yeah, red poker. when when are you coming down to the new house? Oh, you mean in Florida, Slaya? We'll be moving to Florida for the winter on November 1st. Very funny, Hydro Farmer. Very funny. I did not say that, and I will not confirm nor deny. Oh, you got a bay house? Well, you just say the word, Slaya. I'll be right down. That sounds like a good time. She's teaching DCA strats now. Oh, dear. I live for the snow. I actually do design. Hey, Slaya, I will take you up on that offer. Actually, I'm actually moving to Florida. It's not, I didn't buy a house or anything. It's just a rental. But I'm moving to Florida for November through March to see if I can't help with my lung condition that I struggle with during the winter. I know, Jay, but I will be like, I'm really going to miss the snow. I love when it snows. So I'm going to have to, I'm not even sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to somehow vicariously live through someone else that is in the snow. I don't know. It's going to be a little bit sad. If it snows a lot this year, I'm actually not, that's going to bother me. Any Mennonite churches in the area? Yeah, there's a couple. Yep. We have some options, Jay, but we'll be traveling back and forth from Florida to here probably at least once a month that we'll be coming home at least, you know, to spend time with family and stuff. Oh, really, Razier? You'll send me ice fishing pics? What part of Florida? It's in the Sarasota area. Sarasota area, Trader J. Maybe I'll do a co-stream with Patrick Whelan once I'm down in Florida. LOL. Just kidding. So you want to be southwest part of Florida? Okay. Yeah, that's kind of, I mean, Sarasota is like halfway down the panhandle on the west side. It is, Sarasota is a nice place. There is not a better and nicer beach than Siesta Beach. Siesta Beach is the whitest, one of the whitest sands in the world. If you've never been to Siesta Beach in Florida, then you need to, if you have a chance, stop in because Siesta Beach is really nice. With D Mike. Okay, you're in Jacksonville, Red Poker. Awesome. By the way, design. I I saw your invitation on the on Golf Plus. Um, I didn't see it until yesterday that you had sent me a request. So if you ever down design, I'll play a round of golf with you. Oh, you would give it to Trunk Bay? I see. Yeah, Siesta Beach is just what's really cool about Siesta Beach. You know how most beaches, like during the summertime when it's hot, even if the beach has just small little specks of brown sand, it's amazing how hot that sand gets. But with Siesta Beach, it's almost white sand. And that's one of the coolest things about it is it stays cool. So if you're going barefoot, it actually stays cool and doesn't burn your feet off compared to other beaches that have the brown. It's crazy how much of a difference that makes. You'd rent a nice Airbnb. There's a few places in Jackson that you drive through. It smells so bad. Really? Jacksonville smells bad? That's interesting. All right, we're just chopping, going sideways here. I'm starting to be tempted here. Are we going to pull back more again? Market, I just want you to go higher. Like, just nice and steadily go higher. That'd be cool. I see, Slaya. That's why you stayed at that Airbnb. I see you. I see you. Hey, dog. Thanks. The top 10 videos you watched it yesterday. Awesome. Awesome. I'm glad that you like it. Yeah. I really enjoy doing those videos too. I love doing those videos. Next month, it is shaping out that next month is going to be, no, it would be this month. It's shaping out that June's going to be another record-breaking month for Apex and payouts, I think. At least it's shaping up to be that way. It's crazy. Yeah, Siesta Key Beach, Peter Schapp. Yep. Siesta Key Beach, one of the whitest sands in the world. And I would highly recommend it. It's usually packed though, so just be aware. But hey, this winter, if you go to Siesta Key Beach, there's a chance I might be there. There's a small chance. Oh, okay, Slia, nice. I see. Clearwater Beach is nice. Okay, I see. Watch for the alligators, and yeah, I definitely need to. Who sent it to? Someone sent me a clip. Someone sent me a clip of Florida. It was hilarious. Shoot, who was it? I'm sure you're in here. Who was it? Did someone mail it to me? I think emailed it, maybe. Oh yeah, it was JP. JP, are you in here? JP sent me a clip of. It's like it's a meme of Floridians. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. Oh yeah, you're done, Matty Matt. Peace. It was nice knowing you. You'll definitely be banned on the Apex Discord. Yep, it's nice knowing you, man. Feels bad. It was nice knowing you. Take your kids to Venice Beach and go shark tooth hunting? Yeah, that doesn't sound like a good plan. I'll find tons of them. I don't like the idea of beach. By the way, there was a video of sharks, like three separate shark attacks that happened on it was on the east side of the Florida. I forget the beach name or whatever, but I'm telling you, that did not look like a good time. That did not look like a good time, those shark attacks. Well, what's it going to be, market? You going to trap more shorts here? It's tempting. Just punch them in the face before they bite you. If I would be one of those guys that if I was in the water and I saw a shark coming, like every single bodily motion, I would freeze. I would just forget how to walk. Like I would forget how to move everything. It would be sheer panic. I would just stand there and the shark would have its most easiest meal ever known to man. 100%. So we're going to try to stay away from the sharks if we go down there. We're going to stay away. There was a hot tub to the left of the video I sent. Okay. Got to open my Discord. Nice, Slay. Nice. The girls love the hot tub. So I've been told. I have very little experience in that field. Ooh, that is nice. That is really nice. Man, that was... You are living the life. You are living the life right there. I love it. Oh man, that looks like fun. You know what I miss? You know what I need this in my life. 2-3 years, actually it's been longer than that. Probably 5 years ago. 5 years ago, or maybe it was more. We did a lot of camping, and we would go to a local lake, and we had a pontoon, and me and our brother-in-laws, we went camping like just random weekends. And man, I miss that. I need, like, there's just something about getting out on the water on a pontoon or a boat, whatever, just cruising on the water and just completely relaxing. Oh, there's just something about that. Doesn't get much better than that. Well, we could have taken this trade right here, but we didn't, which is okay. Is okay. But now, like, this is the kind of price that I don't like when it just drops like that, like crazy. What are we doing, market? Definitely could have just buying right here off the VWAP here is definitely would be working. Oh. Oh man. What are we doing here? All right, let's see. Are we going to break through? Are we going to break through the 975s here? We have now tested this 3 different times. Double top, triple top here. See if we can rip above. We got to get above the 985s here to be, for me to, if not, I'm just going to trade this range right now. Let me draw a little box here to help me. We're going to trade the range, which means buy at the bottom. I'm not selling at the top, but as long as we stay in this little box. That's what I did Friday. Friday, I just played the range and I bought at the bottom of the range and it worked to perfection. It'll work until it doesn't. Open invitation. All right, Slay. I will. I might take you up on that. And a martini in the pontoon boat. Yeah, go ahead and trades. Price really hasn't. We're just kind of going sideways. We're just back and forth. We're seeing some pretty nice moves, but it's just very choppy. Very choppy indeed. Now it becomes a thing where how much do I want to... It's one of those things where you got to know when to stop trading. Like that's one of the biggest keys, but it would be really sweet to have a $300, $500, $600 day. Get this account up close to 2,000. But of course, one bad trade and we can give all this profit back as well. And we got to be willing to do that if we take another trade. There we go. Let's see if we break above the 980s. 985s, I mean. Market wants to go higher. Shocker. It's a shocker. Slaya is not a name I would trust to meet. I can assure you he's fine. That's funny. When you're a green, $200 to $300 stop. Yep. This is one of those, man, this would have been a really nice trade here. Oh, even better to have a trade like this with a runner. Now we're breaking out above the 985s, above the 990s. She wants to rip. Obviously, the high of the overnight session is up here at the 20,000. So maybe I got to assume that that's where we're going. Now we just got to wait for a nice pullback to get in. Come on, pull back. Hey, nice Art Crawford. You're up 396 on the day. Wait, I'm up 396 today and I'm down for today. What? I'm confused. When you're green, yeah, Mr. Wall Street, I agree. But I agree, Oxzil. I think we're going to retest the overnight highs. Market only goes up. That's right, Carngill. There was some guy named Satan Lust. He wondered why I blocked him. Yeah, some names, you know, you just got to block them. All right, I'm going to go check on the kids. You know, that's one thing as a parent. Once, like, it's been 30 minutes and I haven't heard the kids. That's always a red flag. So, I got to go check on the kids. I'll be right back. And we're back. All right. Wow. We tested precisely the overnight high of 2012. That is crazy. We're at 20,000. NQ at 20,000. That is crazy. That is crazy. But we did. We went right to that overnight high and tested it. Now we're pulling back. I still like a long here, but maybe we pull back to like this 985 area. Honestly, right? Whoa! Oh my gosh, I did not want to enter. Did I just kill this? Daggone it. That was a mistake. All right, we need to make a decision here. I mean, we might be okay here, but I'm just getting out. I meant to click this button here, like this. I did not mean to click the ask. That was user error. It might be actually would it be okay trade here, but if I accidentally enter, it's best to just get out. Watch this rip now. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, I should have just hung in maybe, but anyway, it's fine. I hate when I do that. It was the trading gods were trying to tell me, go ahead, it's fine, you can enter. Parkinson strikes again. But I've done it a couple times where I've accidentally entered and then I try to hang on to it and then it goes against me. And it's just always better to just get out. Even though this trade would have worked. Technically would have worked. Because then when it doesn't work, it upsets me quite a bit. Yeah, you always exit immediately, DL. Yeah, I think that's the right way to do it. It's the right move. I was looking what I was trying to do here. I was going to enter an order right here for an entry, like right here at the 85s, which we might not even get there. So, all right, hang on. And we're back. Oh, man, look at that. That does hurt a little bit, though. I'll just be honest. Look at that perfect little entry we had. Ay, ay, ay. Man, that would have been a beautiful trade. A beautiful accidental trade. You know? Hey, Carolina, good to see you. Good morning, good afternoon. Every time I leave, market jumps higher. Yep, that's true. That mistake trade was a perfect entry. I know it was. I know. I know. Isn't that crazy? I mean, I could have. It's okay. I don't like to do the whole hindsight 2020 thing. I don't think it's really healthy. Anyway, moving on. Next trade up. All right. If we just continue to grind higher, then I want to jump in. I am all for it. I am all for it. All right. Okay, getting another pullback. We're just gonna grind higher, then I'm all in. I'm in, man. Man. I know it's crazy, but I like to study the charts so much, try to speculate the next major number. You think we see 2650 this week? Oh, wow. We could ace undercover. We could. I mean, it's crazy. It is crazy. If we look at the daily chart, where is it going? Who knows? There is nothing to the left of this chart. Nothing. If you go left, you go to infinity. There's nothing there. Only thing I know is I don't want to be a bear. I don't want to be bearish in these times. I don't want to be bearish. That's the only thing I know as certainty. I would much rather just keep, if the market wants to keep going higher, I just want to go with it. I'm not going to fight it. What swag stands for? I mean, I think I know kind of the definition, but what? Now I need to know. Oh, the 2-minute chart threw you off. I'm developing a sixth sense as a trader. My psych already knows. My accidental trades are a key indicator. What time? It's 11:23. Sophisticated wild guess. Sophisticated wild ass guess. Okay, now that's different, the definition, than what I was when I thought. But that makes sense. Right, let's go. It's gonna be kind of a test to see if we want to keep going higher. We will take it. All right, here we go. Let's see if we make new highs. Man, I gotta say, my entries today are spot on. I don't like to say that too loud because now this next trade will probably be an absolute debacle. But you know, some days you got it, some days you don't. Wow, now pulling back. We did not make new highs. Well, I guess technically we touched the 200, the 220,020. We went direct, I mean precisely to it, to the tick. Try explaining that to Apex. It's an accidental DCA. Well, it wasn't an accidental DCA, but you know. Hey, how we doing, Win? How we doing? When you're hot, you're hot. When you're not, you're not. Exactly, Daniel. I have been on both sides of the spectrum. And let's just say when you're not hot, it's not a good time. It is not a good time at all. But man, we got that profit and this thing pulling back immediately after. All right. Now it makes me a little bit nervous. Little bit nervous. Yeah, go end trades. I can trail a stop, true. Oh, man. How aggressive am I going to be today? I was so close to pulling the trigger there and I didn't. Should have pulled it. Oh, you're talking. Okay. ES ripping the new ripping new rear ends all over the place. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. Man, I need to trade my 250K accounts. I don't know why I'm hesitant to trade those. Not sure why, but we got to get to it here. We'll do it. We got plenty of time. We got all the time in the world, to be honest. Thank you, Razier. Hopefully we can keep it. The front says ribbit and the back says, oh dear, feels bad. Hey, good luck, QQ. I think it will reattempt that high. I think we'll have a retest of that 2020. 220, I guess. But we shall see. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have my stop right here, and I mean, hey, we gotta take what's there. I did not like that. Let's go. Man, that was a snap. It snapped right to my profit target. Oh, we like that. We like it. We like it. We like it a lot. All right. Man, I might. Maybe we should call it a day here. Maybe we need to call it a day here. We all know what happens when we take that one more trade, right? We all know how that goes sometimes. I do not want to do that. I could switch accounts, true. I'm trying to do some basic math. We're $900 away from a payout. And we have tomorrow and Thursday to trade to get it, right? So we need basically similar days. I'm kind of okay with. I think the smart thing to do is to stop and just lock it in. Lock in today. Let's not get crazy. Let's not get greedy. And we just hey, we call it. Or we could switch, I guess. Yeah, look at this. We're pulling back now. Kind of struggling to get back above that 220 again. I think I think it'll happen though. It's Monday and it's rollover day. I feel very fortunate to be up 480. I really do. It's the only I have not traded here. I'll just show. I haven't taken any trades on my other accounts today. This is the only account I've traded. So, I mean, we're kind of, we could switch to the 250Ks. Then, if we get into some bad trades, it's going to just leave a kind of a bad taste in my mouth. And the other thing is I could stop streaming now. My wife, my poor wife, She has a migraine headache right now, really bad. So I think actually I think I'll end stream now and just end my trading for the day, and I'll go make sure the kids stay entertained. I think that's what we're gonna do. I think that's a good call. Maybe I'll go take the 2 kids and we'll go to Wendy's. That sounds like a pretty good idea. Leave the chat going. I hate leaving you with, there's no one stays here. As soon as I leave, half the people drop out anyway. So I will usually prefer to just end it, and we'll be back tomorrow. Happy wife, happy life. That is very true. That is very true. But I think I'm going to walk away today, and the only way I'll be disappointed is if this continues to just grind higher. I'm probably going to check in every now and then, and if it does, then I might trade my 250Ks a little bit. But other than that, I'm really happy with today, and no need to do anything more. Hey, thank you. Yeah, by the way, I wanted to say everyone out there, all the fathers out there, or maybe soon to be fathers, happy Father's Day. Happy belated Father's Day, everybody. So, all right, everybody, I'm going to call it there, and we will be back tomorrow, and hopefully keep the winning streak going. So take care, everybody, and God bless.